7 natural remedies for sleeping better. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 natural remedies for sleeping better. So if you're ready, let's get to the good stuff. Are you having trouble drifting into a peaceful, nourishing slumber? If you think you're sitting up alone at night with this problem, think again. More than 60 million Americans suffer from poor sleep quality. Disturbed sleep is more than an inconvenience that leaves you dragging the next day. It can affect your emotional and physical health. It negatively affects your memory, concentration, and mood, and boosts your risks for depression, obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. So, if you're suffering from sleep deprivation, here are 7 natural remedies for better sleep that will help you sleep like a baby. Number 1, drink up. No, not alcohol, which can interfere with sleep. Sleep professionals recommend warm milk, chamomile tea, and tart cherry juice for patients with sleep trouble. These nighttime drinks will work to improve your slumber, and there's no harm in trying them. They work great for people who want treatment without the side effects of drug interactions. Number 2, exercise. Physical activity can improve sleep, though researchers aren't completely sure why. It's known that moderate aerobic exercises boost the amount of nourishing, slow-wave, deep sleep you get. But there's a catch. You have to time it just right. Exercising releases endorphin chemicals that keep people awake. That is why you feel so energized after exercising or taking in a light jog or run. If you're having trouble sleeping, try avoid working out within 2 hours of your bedtime. This will simply allow your body to wind down naturally. Number 3, melatonin supplements. Melatonin is a natural hormone that the brain produces to regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle. Liquid or capsule dietary supplements of melatonin can help people with insomnia fall asleep more quickly. Melatonin can also improve the quality of overall sleep. Melatonin is most useful for shift workers or people experiencing jet lag and people with sleep disorders. And please don't forget, anybody thinking about taking melatonin should speak to their doctor about the best dosage to take, how long to take it for, and whether or not it's safe for them to take. Number 4, keep cool. The ideal temperature for your thermostat is between 65 and 72 degrees. Women who are going through menopause and experiencing hot flashes should keep their room as cool as possible and should wear cotton or breathable fabrics to bed. Number 5, go dark. It's known that light from a smartphone or tablet interferes with our sleep. But what about your bathroom light or a night light? If you have the urge to go to the bathroom at night, don't flick on the lights. Use a flashlight if you need to get up in the middle of the night because it offers less visual disruption. And remember, if you wake up for a bathroom break, it may take up to 30 minutes to drift back off to sleep. This is completely normal. Number 6, one of my personal favorites, is listening to relaxing music. Gentle, slow, or just any kind of music that relaxes you is another great remedy that can help improve your sleep habits. Music therapy has been around for a while, and it's found to improve sleep quality, decrease nightly awakenings, and lengthen your sleep time as well. It will also increase your overall satisfaction with how well you slept the night before. And number 7, this is a big one, cut back on the sugar or caffeine. Although sugar can give you a burst of energy, it's short-lived and can cause uneven blood sugar levels. When this happens, this can disrupt your sleep in the middle of the night as your blood level sugars fall. So remember, take it easy on the sugar and caffeine before bedtime. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 natural remedies for sleeping better at night. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description or the pinned comment below, head on over to our blog, and pick up your free A to Z home remedy guide with over 100 plus homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And as always, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.